Hello, I'm Booster William, and we're doing a couple of YouTube videos about issues that we've gotten phone calls on. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use a master cylinder depth gauge. Over here, we have two master cylinders. Both of them are the same style, however, both of them are made by two different manufacturers. Both of them are in China, and as a result, they both have two different measurements. Now what you do is the short end of the gauge here rests against the master cylinder like that, and you push this rod in until you feel it stop, and that gives you the measurement of your master cylinder. Then you flip it around, and this long edge goes against your your brake booster, like so, and that shows you the space between your rod and the inside of the master cylinder, and that's about the space you want. As I mentioned earlier, the same master can have a different measurement depending on which manufacturer made it. So if we check this one, you'll see that there's a noticeable gap between the gauge and the master cylinder, which means that this one is much shorter than the one over here. And if we adjust the gauge to this master and check it on this booster, not only is it touching, but there's a slight gap between the gauge and the booster itself. And it may not seem like much, but even that tiny amount can preload your master cylinder and your brakes aren't going to function properly. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.